Well, here's the start of our next project. It's a 1976 Corvette. I picked it up for about $1,500 and some guitar equipment. I think it was an old Bandmaster and a cabinet. So the frame is shot. Supposedly I got to get and here's the rear end. The rear end's out of it. So there's the radiator and stuff. So it's going to be a project. We got to replace the frame. That's what the story is with it. So supposedly it's got about 70,000 miles on it, something like that. So there's the motor. Gonna pull that out and see where it goes from there. So sorry if the video isn't that great. I'm not a professional. This is just something to do. So what we're doing is I picked up another frame in Connecticut for $600 about a year or so ago, and we're gonna redo the frame. So here's the frame. I had this old picked up some old military trailer for $100. I was gonna cut it up and make a welding table out of it, and then I figured, it's been laying around, and I said, well, I'll drag it down here and put the frame on it. And I said, at least we could work on the frame at at chest height or waist height. So that'll work out good. So we'll, I already power washed it, but we'll go through it and POR 15 it and do all that. So yeah, so that's it. So it's a 76 frame, 76 vat, and yeah, so that's it. So on the other one, you can see all the motor mount or the body mounts are there. The frame's in pretty good shape. So not quite sure whether I'm probably going to use the other front end or this front end. I'm not sure yet. I have to go through it and see which one's better. The one on the car is probably better, because I don't know what the story is with this frame. I just, a guy had it for sale. I bought it. We went to Connecticut, picked it up, brought it back, $600, done. So, yeah, okay. Have a good day, and maybe I'll update more.